Lift your leg as high as you can. Let's do it for a minute and then we'll move on to the main exercise. Let's do 30 seconds each side. Well done. Let's do the other side now. Well done. I hope you're doing it along with me. We'll do it for a minute and then switch to the next exercise. Go as low as you can, all the more effective. Well done. You can feel a stretch all along your back, leg and this one. It's a very, very easy pose. Let's do 30 seconds of this before we switch the leg. This is an excellent toning exercise which will definitely help you tone your wobbly thighs and the entire leg, along with working on the hip area. You have to lift up your arms like this at shoulder length. Lift your leg up, then take it sideways, and that's it. Just don't bend your knee. Let's do the next leg now. Well done. Now do let me know in the comment section, out of all the exercises, which one was your favorite. I will wait for your comment eagerly, and also always ready to answer all your queries. Do ask me in the comment section.